My name is Tabitha Martinez. My daddy made it for me and I'm 6 years old. And I really like every single car, and I never thought that my dad would make a car like this, and I hope I win a trophy.
That's right, y'all. Big West here. We're at this car show in Old Bridge right here. This is Tabitha with her 2018 GMC Denali. All worked out, has a sound system, everything in it. It looks crazy out here. She might even win something tonight, y'all. She entered it into the car show here, and hopefully she'll win something. That's Tabitha. She's wishing everybody happy Halloween here. Corvette Boys, Old Bridge, New Jersey. This is how we do it.
Folks, you gotta see this live yourself. This is amazing here, and the sound system sounds nuts. The sound system sounds crazy on this. This is Tabitha's GMC Denali, y'all. Unbelievable. Thanks for coming on.
This is Tabitha again. She's wishing everybody happy Halloween. Big West, Tabitha, Corvette Boys, Old Bridge, New Jersey. Doing it big.
Been around the world 6 times.